welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Aisha Janae. I'm a child of God, and I am a mom. I am a licensed cosmetologist. I'm an entrepreneur, and I am happy to be alive. Right now, y'all, I'm sitting outside of the salon, and I need some lip gloss. Hold on, y'all. I found my lip gloss. But anyways, like I was saying, I am sitting outside the shop, and about to go in the shop. Today, I don't have any clients, but I did just come down here to just find something to do, which I come down here almost every day, even if I don't have any clients. So till my clientele build up, y'all will be seeing sometimes me not having any clients. I'll probably come down here to sanitize. And most of the times when I don't have somebody on the book, somebody walk in and I end up getting them. So I have to add them to my booking website and all that stuff. But again, y'all will see me still on the days that I don't have any clients. I'll find something to do at the shop. Just like school. Even when we didn't have no clients, we still had to find something to do. I'm always perfecting my craft, always sanitations, always doing something. And that's the way that you build your clientele, is just manifesting. Of course, too, word of mouth, getting out here, passing out business cards, which I do. And it's gonna come. Like, I'm just 6 months in with my license, so I ain't tripping about nothing. I'm not stressing. I got faith in God that I'm gonna be booked out soon, so we ain't gonna worry about that, right? But I'm about to go in the shop. My mom, she got a client in here. I'm trying to wait for her to leave. But y'all, stay tuned for my video with me renovating and revamping the shop or whatever, because I started on it last year and I just never got finished with it. I gotta paint, I gotta put up my station. So that's what I'm meaning by, even when I don't have clients, I got something to do, period. And it's probably gonna take me, once I really start back on it, it's probably gonna take me about a week, because I gotta put up my sign. I got to do all that. The only thing I'm waiting on is my dad to take out this display, because I don't want it anymore. And I got to move all of my stuff out of the display and in my new cabinet that I got. And all floors. So it's going to take about a week and a half. I got new floorings for inside there. So it's going to look totally different. So y'all just come along with me today. Y'all going to spend y'all day with me. And I just had to come back and show y'all my hair. I finally took the head off. But I want some more layers. I ain't going to lie. But it looks so much better. Like, my hair was born, it was just black. But anyways, y'all, I'll see y'all inside. Okay, so I made it in, y'all, but this is the flooring that I was talking about. See how the paint is not finished, so I need to go in with one more coat, and I gotta move that mirror. Here on my station is just, so I got a lot to do. It's my Lash bed. So this is the display that I was telling y'all that I'm using. And it got all my stuff in it, but we gonna throw it away. My ring light, and that's the cabinet or whatever that I got. So we got a lot to do. This over here, gotta get my sink fixed. So this is where I be doing hair. This was kind of pushed over that way, but they had to bring in that over there. Yeah, this my stuff over here. And so I be having a lot to do even when I don't have clients. And I do feel like God is preparing me for me to be booked out. I want consistent clients. I want to be booked without being burnt out. I want clients that respect my pricing, my time. So I just feel like that God is just preparing me for that moment. I said I'm not tripping, because he's actually preparing me for something. This place is not finished yet. So he's preparing me for everything that I'm praying for. So I'm not tripping about none of that. I'm finna go on the other side with my mama. That's the side she work on or whatever. And we finna do a little chit chat. But I don't want to be booked and burnt out, period. Like, cool being booked and busy, but I think a lot of people in the industry has prayed for that, and they didn't pray for exactly what they wanted, and they ended up getting booked and burnt out. And we're not having it. I'm not trying to be booked and burnt out. I have been coming up with making, because I'm not just a hairstylist. I'm a full service, full blown licensed cosmetologist, right? I have many talents. I know how to do lashes. I know how to do brows. I know how to do facials. I know how to do hair. I don't want to do nails. That's one thing in school that I didn't care about. I learned the basics, but I didn't care about perfecting it, because I'm not doing nails. I'm not doing it. Waxing, I do waxing, lip, I do it all or whatever except nails. That's the only thing. And I cut my son hair too. So I'm perfecting it too, but I don't want to really, I'm perfecting me doing haircuts, but I really don't want to do anybody haircut. The only thing I want to do is get by doing my son hair because his haircuts, because I don't want to have to go to nobody else to pay anything when I can do it myself. I insert some pictures too. If I don't insert any pictures, I can go to my TikTok. But I've been cutting it, in every barber that I have showed that I cut my son hair, I promise you, they say, you didn't do bad at all. They have seen worse cuts than mine. That was like, the only thing you need to do is just keep going and keep practicing or whatever, and you'll get it. Like, you already there. You just need to perfect it. But y'all gonna see more video. I promise you, y'all gonna see more videos like this. I'm trying to figure out if I want to do a day in my life as a licensed cosmetologist slash mompreneur, or just do a weekly in my life as a, I don't know. It just depends on how I get, how busy I am. But I do know I'm dropping y'all videos, period. I don't have any excuse for that. But I'll see y'all in the next clip. I ain't finna keep on talking y'all head off. I don't want y'all to get bored. So, y'all, I done made it to my parents' house. I'm about to get started on taxes. And, I don't know, I might show y'all where I go get something to eat at. I don't know. I just want to check in with y'all because I done made it to my destination. I'm finna get started. And I'll see y'all in a minute. My hair is hairing. I love it. These layers. Been over an hour, so I'll check back in when I get home so I can close out this vlog. All right, y'all, I just had to come back and close out this video for y'all. So we got home, my kids, they played, they ate, and now it's time to go to bed. I gotta get my shower. I got some things to do tomorrow. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog, but I have a lot to do tomorrow. I'm just happy that I'm actually picking up this camera to talk to y'all, and I gotta make sure that I'm looking here instead of here. I'm looking at myself. But I need to make sure that I pick up this camera and talk to y'all. It's like the more and more I pick up the camera, more and more I'm starting to get comfortable. And I don't know why I'm saying this, because content was starting to become easy for me back in 2021, 2022. But when you stop doing something, you lose your flavor a little bit. But anyways, I just need y'all to comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all next video. It's more to come. I feel it in my spirit. It's more to come. It's gonna be great videos. A lot of my videos gonna be educating too, because y'all know I'm a licensed cosmetologist. So I'm gonna be telling y'all do's and don'ts with your hair. Not just hair, y'all know I do lashes, I do brows, I do it all except nails. So, but I'll see y'all next video. I love y'all. Mwah.